This project entails an investment of more than 35 million guilders. Our project team fast-tracked the replacement of DG7 in an amazing, I want Lucy to tell me how many months. I have a number of months here, but how many months? 10 months. Period. I just want to make sure that I don't mention the wrong number. Thanks to our very professional project team led by Javier Lampe. Who worked extremely focused at a very high pace. We are so thankful for your tireless effort and skilled leadership, and along with our Wärtsilä counterparts, as well as a well-oiled machine. Our ongoing firm capacity project is the expansion with 2 engines of the same power plant, RECIP III, and is scheduled to go operational by August 2026. This firm capacity is very important when developing renewable energy projects. Since recent, there is more clarity on the path forward for the renewable energy projects, wind, solar, and energy storage, so that the ambitious national goal of 50% renewable energy by 2030 is feasible. There is a lot of work still to be done, but there's a good collective spirit among the stakeholders to achieve this ambitious national goal. A very good contribution is the funding from the Ministry of Economic Affairs and Climate of the Netherlands for 2025 and the coming few years. Financing of the energy transition, including the necessary firm capacity projects like this one, is very critical and has our full attention. We have complete trust in that the lenders will also contribute to this very important national objective. More about the renewable energy projects will be made public shortly and in the coming weeks.
I would like to thank you, Web and Wärtsilä teams, for excellent collaboration during the project execution. That was really amazing. Thank you. Under the leadership of Head of Projects, Lucia Verleman, Project Manager Javier Lampe, Wärtsilä Site Manager Marko Natunen, project site activities were completed on time. Both parties had a strong experts in their teams. As a last word, I think we did a good job together. Thank you.